PLDC Assignment Midterm Presentation. Artificial Intelligence, the concept selected, and colonization. The problem selected to analyze, the traveling salesperson problem. Lecturer in charge, Mr. Lakmal Rubasinghe. Group members. We will discuss what is artificial intelligence, concepts covered in AI, applications and usages of AI in IT, then the selected concepts Ants colonization, applications of Ants colonization, finally an introduction to the selected problem, traveling salesperson problem. How will one recognize AI? Probably everybody has heard of artificial intelligence, but relatively few people have a really good idea of what the term really means. For most people, AI is associated with artifacts or robotics like the robot child David in the movie Artificial Intelligence 2001. But AI is just not robotics. It's only one aspect of AI. Such images are the product of Hollywood rather than the kind of thing which actually happens in the research labs of the world today. Our purpose here is to introduce one of the basic ideas behind AI and colonization, and to analyze how the traveling sales problem can be solved using AND algorithms. Then, what is artificial intelligence? Intelligence is the ability to think, to imagine, to create, memorize, understand, recognize patterns, make choices, adapt to change, and learn from experience. Artificial intelligence is a human endeavor to create non-organic machine-based entity that has all the above abilities of natural organic intelligence. Hence, it is called as artificial intelligence. It is a set of software tools that enables computers to think like humans to solve problems. These tools include neural networks, brain-like feedback systems that enables computers to learn and refine knowledge gained from experience, an expert system which can solve real-world problems using human knowledge and following human reasoning skills. A brief history of AI. 5th century BC. Aristotle invents syllogistic logic, the first formal deductive reasoning system. 16th century AD. Rabelais supposedly invents the golem, an artificial man made out of clay. 17th century, Descartes proposed animals are machines and founds a scientific paradigm that will dominate for 250 years. Pascal creates the first mechanical calculator in 1642. 18th century, Wolfgang von Kempelen invents fake chess-playing machine, the Turk. 19th century, George Boole creates a binary algebra to represent laws of thought. Charles Babbage and Lady Lovelace develop sophisticated programmable mechanical computers, precursor to modern electronic computers. 20th century, Karel Capek writes Rosmew's Universal Robots, coining the English word robot. Warren McCloch and Walter Pitts lay partial groundwork for neural networks. Turing writes Computing Mechanicry and Intelligence, proposal of Turing test. 1956, John McCarthy coins phrase artificial intelligence. 1952 to 62, Arthur Samuel writes the first AI game program to challenge a world champion, in part due to learning. 1950s to 60s, Master Man at Cambridge creates semantic nets that do machine translation. 1961, James Wright's first symbolic integrator, SLIIT, to solve calculus problem. 1963, Thomas Evans Wright analogy, which solves analogy problems like the ones on IQ tests. 1965, J. A. Robinson invents resolution method using formal logic as its representational language. In 1965, Joseph creates Elisa, one of the earliest chatterbots. In 1967, Feinbaum created Dendrel, the first useful knowledge-based agent that interpreted mass spectrographs. In 1969, Shaky, the robot combines movement, perception, and problem solving. In 1971, Terry demonstrated a program that can understand English commands in the world of blocks. In 1972, Elian Kolmura writes Prologue. In 1974, Ted Shortleaf created MySeed, the first expert system which showed the effectiveness of rule-based knowledge representation for medical diagnosis.